Knowledge is power, and you could turn it into cash. Please subscribe and hang out for an awesome story about Sophia. Let me tell you about Sophia, a language enthusiast who wanted to make money online. She tried teaching one-on-one lessons, but the scheduling was a nightmare, and she barely made $200 a month. Then she turned her language skills into a digital product, a $30 PDF guide for learning Spanish conversation. She promoted it organically on multiple social media channels and set up automation system, and now she's earning about $3,800 a month, all from the love for languages. Your knowledge can make money too. But here's the thing. You want to make money online, but maybe you're stuck. Maybe you've tried selling other people's products or starting a blog, but it's not working. You're asking yourself, what can I sell? And how do I even start? The lack of a clear plan and the fear of tech are keeping you from the financial freedom you're dreaming of. Well, here's how to turn your knowledge into cash. Well, here's the plan. First, leverage what you know. Whether it's teaching, cooking, or even gaming, we'll help you turn it into a product like an ebook, course, or template. Second, market it easily. Use simple strategies like Instagram posts or email campaigns to get your product out there with little tech skill needed. Third, automate the wins. Set up a system to sell your product while you're relaxing or spending time outdoors. No inventory, no shipping, just high profits. This is your chance to build a business that's all yours and helps others too. Want to learn more? Our free webinar in the description will show you how to turn your knowledge into a cash-making digital product. Don't miss out. You know, we've been there struggling to make money online and figuring it out the hard way. We've mastered digital products and built a step-by-step system that works, and we're here to guide you. Real help from people who've done it with proven steps. Ready to turn your knowledge into cash? Click the link in the description for our free webinar training to learn more about creating digital products with your knowledge. Like, subscribe, and let's start this adventure together. And we'll see you in the next video.